You see, there is nothing like a community producing a candidate. Somebody who is running for the presidency, running for the presidency of Kenya. You see, you cannot be elected president of Kenya on the basis of the Kisii votes, Kisii, or the Luo votes, or Luhya votes for that matter, or even the Mount Kenya votes. If you want to be elected, you will be elected by Kenya general. So that is something that we will deal with when the actual time comes up. Mr. Matiang'i has not, as things stand, come up to speak, to declare that he wants to run for the presidency. So I don't know where you're getting that information.
We can leave it there. We can leave it there. No, we have finished. Thank you.